Our story is called A Rainy Sunday. Today, you will listen to a simple story. It is a conversation between Mike and Myra on a rainy Sunday. You will hear many useful English sentences for everyday life. Morning at home.
Good morning, Mike.
Morning, Myra. Why are you smiling?
Because I don't have to rush today. It's Sunday.
Yes, but listen. Can you hear that?
Oh no, it's raining.
Raining hard. The street looks wet.
So we can't go out for a walk.
No problem. We can stay inside and relax.
Relax, but we always have work to do.
It's Sunday. Work can wait.
Maybe you are right. A quiet morning sounds nice.
Breakfast.
What do you want for breakfast?
Something warm. Maybe tea and toast?
Toast is easy. I'll put the bread in the toaster.
Good. And I'll boil some water for tea.
The kettle is on the counter.
Got it. I like the sound of the kettle.
Yes, it means hot tea is coming soon.
Here, your cup of tea.
Thank you. The toast is ready too.
Perfect. Rain outside, warm tea inside.
It feels cozy.
Cozy is the right word.
Talking about plans.
So, what's the plan for today?
Well, it's raining. We can't go shopping now.
True. Maybe later if the rain stops?
Until then, we can read or watch something.
Reading sounds good. Which book?
I started a travel book last week.
A travel book on a rainy day? That's funny.
Why funny?
Because you can't travel today.
That's true. But books let me travel in my mind.
I like that. Travel with words.
Remembering last week.
Do you remember last Sunday?
Yes, we went to the park.
The sun was bright, and we walked for 2 hours.
And we bought ice cream.
Yes, mine melted too fast.
Because you walk slowly and eat slowly.
I like to enjoy things.
And I like to finish before it melts.
Different styles, same ice cream.
Yes, it was fun.
Lunchtime.
It's almost lunchtime. What shall we eat?
Something simple, maybe soup?
Soup is good on a rainy day.
Do we have vegetables?
Yes, carrots and potatoes.
Perfect. Vegetable soup then.
I'll cut the vegetables.
And I'll boil the water.
Cooking together is faster.
And more fun. The soup is hot.
Careful, don't burn your mouth.
Don't worry, I'll blow on it first.
Tasty.
Yes, warm soup on a rainy day, perfect.
Afternoon rest.
Now I feel sleepy.
A nap after lunch?
Yes, just 20 minutes.
All right, I'll read my book while you sleep.
Good plan. Wake me if the rain stops.
Okay, sweet dreams.
Thank you. How long did I sleep?
1 hour.
1 hour? I said 20 minutes.
You looked peaceful. I didn't want to wake you.
Well, thank you. I feel fresh now.
evening plans.
Look, the rain has stopped.
Yes, the street is wet. But the sky is clear.
Shall we go for a short walk?
Good idea. Fresh air will be nice.
And after that, maybe a movie.
Which movie?
A comedy, something light.
Yes, laughing is the best end to Sunday.
Then it's settled. A walk and then a movie.
Today was simple, but good.
Yes, tea, soup, rain, and time together.
Sometimes we don't need big plans.
True. A quiet Sunday is special too.
And tomorrow is Monday again.
Don't remind me yet. Let's enjoy tonight.
All right. One more cup of tea?
Yes, let's make tea and start the movie.
A perfect Sunday!
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this story. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe. Do you want to learn more English with us? Click the link in the description or the first comment to join our English communication program.